Okay. Um, I'm gonna attempt. Yeah, this is real. I haven't played it in 2 months. Oh. Um, and I'm praying OBS will actually show it. I don't think it will, and it's gonna be very annoying to set up. Oh wow. Okay. Snarb. Oh, I'm so glad. Um, custom curses. Sure. Oh no, that's kind of laggy. So much input lag. There we go. The only issue is if you alt tab, the game doesn't work. So, but let's play Insane Aquarium. It's been a while. It said I played it 2 months ago, but playing it properly, probably probably about this time last year. How do I restart? What the fuck? Sounds like there's a monkey outside. uh, cancel. How do I help? Next. What the fuck? Oh. They got George Fan. Wow. I have no idea who that is. Don Walters. It's like nearly John Waters. Water. Oh. Delete. Yes. Please enter your name. Oh, why is it all caps? Oh, I guess it has to be all caps. Googie Bubbo. Let me just respond. One moment. I would pause it, but if I do that, it's going to close the game. Sorry. Start. I want the music. Welcome to the Insane Aquarium. This is familiar. Eat. Eat. Eat up. Ooh. Yeah. Been coughing for over 2 weeks. Oh shit. Nom, nom, nom. Another one. Eat. 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 Eat, man, eat. Ooh. You hungry? Oh, wait. You another fish. Bang. 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 I'm gonna push the limits of this. This is a good aim. not too sure what to say during this. Oh. Snail. Oh, my legs itch. Oh! What a cramp. Holy moly. Ah! Random cramp attack. Nom nom. Nom nom. What a waste of food. Go green. Go on. It's your punishment. Yeah, exactly. Come on. Oh my god, why are my legs so itchy? None of you are hungry. Oh, you're hungry now. Ooh. They're all hungry. This was a pioneer of mobile games. If this had a good port for mobile, it has one, but it sucks, and it costs money. I have it, but it's not even published by PopCap. It's just like some random company who basically stole it. Eat. Yeah, fish man. Remember how kind of hard this gets. Nuh-uh. That's a good one. I remember this. Good little clam. Gives you a good head start. I think this is like all the fish you really need to like succeed in life. I hate the carnivorous fish. It's so annoying to take care of. Too expensive as well. Oh, what the hell? Whatever. Natural selection. I should probably get the two food thing. Draw multiple foods. Thank you. Yeah. So many fishes. I think I have to buy the carnivorous one to progress, like get the egg. Sorry, fish. The baby one. Yeah, okay. 2,000, wow. More of it. I have a lot of money. Lives up to the name. This is insane. What? Yeah. How many things can you have at once? Is it just 3? Eat. Eat. What time is it? 7. Good lord. Thank you. Where's the other food at? I want to get it. Do I have to fight an alien first? Hopefully not. I think I do. some fish. There we go. Only 300. Easy 300. They're hungry now. Man. Click because it just doesn't pick up on some. I don't know why. It's probably something to do like the FPS of the game. They're all grown. Oh, it doesn't really matter. Oh, it's only 3,000 for the egg. I thought it was 5,000. Slowly shift over to this. Yeah, they get crazy now. I was mistaken. Oh, I remember this. She farts. She farts out a baby. Don't know how useful she is, though. Yeah. You're not very helpful. You are. I don't know. So, I guess. I'm gonna go pee, but I can't pause. So, I'll be like 30 seconds. She can't eat. What if she's just fat? Can fish get fat? They get like oversized, they don't grow like fat. I don't really need to buy more guppies, do I? Because she just flies around. Might as well get these ones fed. Ew! That stinks. It's so cool if fish could fart. Get it. Ooh. He's hungry as well. A couple. Ew. Get big. I want gold coins. Yeah, there we go. I think the superfood is the way to go to get money fast. Is this what real fishing is like? I hope it is. Wait to get a carnivore, because they are crazy. I was severely mistaken. Gross. No one's hungry. Can I do it quick? Upgrade again. There's gonna be two. Got another one of these. Oh no. Upgrade the gun. I did not mean to do it twice. That's fine. Another one. Another one. Upgrade the gun. That's for good measure. I'll start saving it now. Killed like a billion of them. It's fine. Eat up, boy. gonna get the big guy first. No, I missed the kill. Dang it. Gross. Yeah. I feel like this one's like really good. Oh, I remember this. How do you... That's probably okay. Bonus pet. I don't have that kind of money. Fuck. My eyes are dry. I'll do one more. You definitely. Probably you as well. No, you know what? I'll just... Ooh. Music's so good. Fuck. Yeah. Thank you. Eat. Dang it. Oh, she's gonna fart. She's gonna blow. Bless you. Gross. Oh, the dang superfood. Yeah. Oh no. What does that do? Star potion? I forget. Oh, this is a different kind of fish. The carnivores now. Okay. Not myself, don't do that. Stack guppies. Back in like guppies is it drops so damn much. Oh, it's only 750 for the Yes, I remember this being dookie. It's just like the snail, but worse. Okay. I do want to keep going, but I have some stuff to do. It's 7:30, so... Never really looked at this. Stow. Ooh. Is that how much I have? Oh no, you can get a background. Oh, right. I see. Sell. I can make it my screensaver. Show fish name. You know what? Let's how much do I have? 760. What is that? Okay. But I have to keep the fish happy, I think. Because it says keep your fish happy with this beautiful new backdrop. Let me get this guy. What should I call him? Scratch his chin. Call him Meatwad, because I've been watching Aqua Teen Hunger Force. How do I see? Yeah! Oh, but I need... Do I have to feed him with this? Do I have to feed him? He's not gonna eat that. If I... Meat. Let... Uh-oh. Eat. Eat, boy. Oh. Is that cool? Oh, okay. Does he... He's gonna be dead by the morning, though. I can't do this. Eat it. Whatever. Okay. Goodbye.